State Cabinet decides to issue ordinance on anti-mob violence bill to moot collective punishment for mob violence. State's first ever Manipur heli service takes off. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren launches Imphal Jiribam helicopter service today. Manipur Tourism Department's one-day seminar espouses homestays facility for tourists in the state for sustainable tourism. Manipur University's Inquiry Committee rejects Professor K. Jogindro as Pro VC and Professor Shyam Kesho as Registrar in charge of the university. And Custom Prevention Force More sees World is Yours tablets worth around 3 crore rupees in international market today. Kurumjiri, good evening. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the latest updates. First up, Manipur State Cabinet has decided to issue an ordinance on anti-mob violence bill to moot collective punishment for mob violence. The cabinet meeting held at Manipur Police Guest House in Jiribam today also decided to take up tea, coffee and rubber plantations on P mode at 1,100 acres of Jiribam Tea Estate, to resume state lottery with rider note for Manipur, which will likely earn rupees 50 to 60 crore annually. The cabinet extended VDF service for another 1 year and also decided to give one-time relaxation for regularized Jiri college teachers.
Jiri ki education system aduga human resource ki leriba posting si development torna ba haibagi film da lakum matam da aikoi matam amada jiri bad leriba regulation process lakum matam da kui nadi mokoi ji thabak toraga school da leijaraba adu regular tarakum matam da mokoi age si chanarak da leibani na kui na war riba long safar jing je one time relaxation pithoga mokoi ji regulation ta hanba jiri.
Manipur's first ever Manipur heli service took off today. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren has launched the Imphal Jiribam helicopter service and inaugurated Harinagar helipad in Jiribam district. The first trip of the heli service left Imphal Tulihal Airport this morning at 9 and landed Jiribam at 9:50 a.m. Ministers and MLAs were the first passengers of the 13-seater Pawan Hans helicopter. The heli service to Jiribam also boarded editors of prints and electronic media in the subsequent trips. Chief Minister Biren, however, boarded a Defence Ministry's helicopter for security reasons. BJP government's Council of Ministers, MLAs, top civil and police officials and many people in the area attended the event. Chief Minister Biren also inaugurated Jiribam Ima Kaitel, Jiribam Babupara and also laid the foundation stone for construction of a transit accommodation building for doctors and teachers near Jiribam Higher Secondary School ground. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren assured to provide helicopter service in all the hill districts to facilitate transportation in the hilly terrains. He said the helicopter service was launched today after putting in efforts for almost a year and a half with the approval of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Civil Aviation Minister. The Chief Minister hoped for the service to facilitate people of the state in transportation. National Health Mission Manipur and the Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Services Manipur held a program to distribute delivery kits under Janani Sishu Suraksha Karyakram, that is JSSK, of the Ministry of Health, Government of India, and to facilitate volunteers of Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matriva Abhiyan, that is PMSMA, today. The event was held at Indian Medical Association Hall in Lamfelpat today. Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Department, Vulnunman Vulnyam, Director Health Services, Dr. K. Rajo, Jenims Director, Dr. T.H. Bhimo, and top officials of the Health Department and National Health Mission Manipur attended the event. Delivery kits were distributed to district medical officials, and 13 volunteer doctors of PMSMA were felicitated with certificates and mementos on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, Principal Secretary Vulnunman Vulnyam asserted that various schemes and projects are being undertaken for the welfare of both mothers and child by the government. Principal Secretary said the State Health Department has undertaken various programs to enhance health care facility right from the grassroots level till the tertiary level. He also said 26 health and wellness centers are operating successfully in the state under schemes like Mission Indradhanush, Chief Minister Gi Hakshal Gi Tengbang, and Ayushman Bharat. Vulunman said that function mapping of health functionaries will be conducted and hard-working doctors and health practitioners will recognize. He urged doctors and medical staffs to provide health care facility to public wholeheartedly under the current health projects and schemes.
The other initiative which we have started is the free diagnostic, and what it intends is, with the help of the National Health Mission, is that in the outlying areas, in the district hospitals, in the sub-district hospitals, and subsequently in the community health centers, to provide test facility for 53 diagnostic pathological tests completely free of cost by tying up with a private service provider. At Imphal, we have already lots of reputed and distinguished diagnostic clinics, but in the districts and in the outlying areas, it is still a major handicap. I am happy that we are in the process of rolling out these free diagnostic centers at our district hospital.
Misuse of power by the staff of the Jenims OPD ticket counter has caused immense grievances for outpatients at the hospital. Speaking to media person, patients waiting to get ticket at Jenims OPD counter said they have been waiting before 9 a.m. for OPD tickets. They allege that the staff have locked doors of the counter and started giving away the tickets to their acquaintances before 9 a.m. though the tickets are supposed to be made available only by 9 a.m. They said doctors are treating a limited number of patients, so many patients have to return without getting treatment. They expressed disappointment that patients from far places have to return without treatment even after many visits. They appealed to the authority concerned to look into the matter and take appropriate action against the staffs.
Mayam sina ho to duna saunarapataki MS ki kenoda office magi sember da sanguba matamdasu maga unasare magi angamba upai mamangda tawkre adubu hujiki oinadi out of magi kenoda leigre ma upai kalimta leitre aduduna semda adagi amadi media gi thongda noina mayam mangda khanganba adugumdu oina tawbiro aina thambire
lamna nokbok samai adai lam arabada yengba lakpa mayam je sumaina manung de moi ticket se moi kai hai tare mi leiba mayam gi manung de tora khoi leijadaba khoi yeng phangdana hanba je mayam na masum awabaze lehin bidana ba tawbiu haibazine gidi anabaze sum heze si lairu ne anabaze leitaba khoidi paisa yam tingi arapada yengbusu phangjade anakpada khoi khudong sabaze yengjage toraga sumaina phangdabaze khoi yam pesela khoi awabani.
Tengbal Coal has organized a one-day voluntary blood donation camp at Jenims Blood Bank today. Speaking to Impact News, Vice President of Tengbal Coal, W. Silhaiba Mangang, said that the camp was held to collect blood from donors for donating to those in need. He said those in need can approach Tengbal Coal.
Miuba kaya gi awana tarwa singi thawai kannaba gidamukta Tengbal Coal nang asi bauda chatharakpam laita laira kaya gi mating pangmugi makha chathajarak poina ngasi blood donation camp as sinjaribani ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯗꯣꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯦꯝꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯈꯨꯜ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯦꯡꯕꯥꯡ ꯀꯣꯜꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯦꯞꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯡꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯆꯠꯊꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯗꯣꯅꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
A one-day seminar on homestays and sustainable tourism was held at Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal today with an aim to promote tourism in Manipur. The Tourism Department of Manipur organized a seminar as a part of the Ministry of Tourism's nationwide ongoing Pariyatan Parva Festival celebrated since September 16 to be continued till September 27. Speaking on the occasion, the Director of Manipur Tourism Department, W. Ibohol, asserted that the varied cultures and traditions of communities of the state will be a great contribution in promoting tourism sector in the state. He believed that tourists will be attracted to the traditional lifestyles of the state and hence stressed the need to understand the interests of tourists visiting the state. W. Ibohol asserted that if tourists are provided homestay facility, it will give them first-hand exposure to the culture and tradition of the state and enrich their experiences. Resource person enlightened on how to construct and maintain homestays for tourists at the seminar.
Hotel, Anand Hotel, 3-star, 5-star, they have already enjoyed. Why? They are coming in money. They want to see, they want to experience how the people at Manipur live, the way how they cook their food, the way how they took their meals. See more taste of the palm. Tourism psychology, we need to know the purpose of a tourist. VIP treatment, India, this man, I don't know what palms.
All Manipur ITI Students Union, that is AMISU, has alleged stenography instructor of ITI Takil, T. Volin, as an inefficient instructor as he is more interested in staging sit-ins in demand for 7th Central Pay Commission rather than teaching his students. President of Reformist Students Front RSF, Thoiba Kumanja, intimated the same to media during a press meet held at RSF office in Kwakaithel, Nganapithong today. He said, acting on a complaint by AMISU, members of RSF inspected ITI Takil and found the institute to be in utter chaos. Thoiba also mentioned that students of the institute boycotted the instructor on earlier occasions. However, no actions were taken despite repeated pleas to the Education Minister, Joint Director and Principal of the institute. He also intimated that Bolin initiated formation of a student body organization in the institute called ITI General Body, affirming enmity amongst the students. RSF has demanded the Joint Secretary, Principal, Supervisor and Instructor Bolin to give a public clarification by September 21st and warned of unprecedented agitation if they act against the interests of the students.
Khoi Joint Director of Training P. Robindro Singh, amadi khoi Principal ITI Tagil S. Navasingh, Supervisor ITI Tagil Mrs. Romola Devi, amadi khoi T. Bolen Singh, khoi stenographer gi oza asi moi marimak lagliba tangkun gamathoi lebak miyam khangna amadi RSF ta sengtok piraknaba moi gi mathakta haijari loina sengtok pirakta ba taragadi RSF gi tawham thokpa mathau sing tawrakani haina.
A public discussion meet was held today at Ima Panthoibi Sanglen Uripok Bachaspati Maninglaikai against the establishment of Ram Krishan Mission School by demolishing Tondon Sana High School in Uripok Bachaspati Maninglaikai today. Speaking in the meeting, social activist Sapamcha Jadumani lamented that it is unjustifiable to demolish Tondon Sana High School, which served many poor students of the area, to establish a mission school in its place. It may be mentioned that people of the area have been protesting against the same since the previous governance. He also urged the authority concerned to consider the plight facing the poor students of the area and look into the matter at the earliest. Jadumani also warned of undertaking various forms of agitations if the government fails to pay heed to their demand.
Government school ama muthalakanda private school ama mahut sinbai se paliba government sigi yamna mai sopninga ba mai thininga ba poni government school muthalakanda mitop ki ba private school ama government chawal private sem se tawum thokte athuma tamda ramkrishna mission se mahum se gi hongdokrakanda atra singi khanbirakanda ramdam sidaida hana leramba tondon sa government school se amona akhoi lehen biu hana government ta da ngasi government ta da no idana tongan ba education ama akhoi ngasi famna ware lorko ya
Kuki Baptist Convention KBC in a press release strongly condemned the eviction order of September 4th to demolish Lumphale Rongmei Baptist Church and Lumphale Baptist Church in Imphal West District. The Manipur University Inquiry Committee said to prove allegation charge against VC Pandey has declared that it does not recognize Professor K. Jugindro as Pro-VC and Professor M. Shyam Kishore as Registrar in charge of the university. Secretary of the two-member committee, L. Birendra Kumar, intimated the same to Impact News as the committee visited the A block of Manipur University to seal some documents and some selected rooms in connection with the ongoing inquiry. He also disclosed that the inquiry is going on smoothly and assured of submitting the inquiry report to the relevant authority at the earliest. He assured that the sealed documents will be kept in topmost security and confidentiality at the committee's office set up in Hotel Classic. Meanwhile, Registrar in charge of Manipur University, Professor Dorendra Jeet, has nullified the order issued by self-proclaimed Registrar in charge, Professor M. Shyam Kishore, appointing Professor K. Jugindro as Pro-VC following issuance of suspension order of VC Pandey by the MHRD. He maintained that Professor M. Shyam Kishore is someone under suspension imposed by Vice-Chancellor in charge of Manipur University, Professor W. Biswanath, for violating rules of the university.
Professor M. Shyam Kishore Singh already suspended suspend misak amana narang numidang pung tara makaida Professor K. Jugindro bu Vice Chancellor wina khaleba se masin natai sadaba mathung uktaba aduma order makalamani
Vice Chancellor AP Pandey si akoi suspend tawkibu maramna thaupugadabani uhalani haidan tholakpa order se satnaba yaroi Professor Shyam Kishore si Registrar in charge wina amuk hana hankatle na haibasi suti da leiriba aduga magi mathakdasu inquiry sathariba aduba Professor AP Pandey na thokibu order ni haribu order se maramaduna masi satnaba yaroi nanen void oigani.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring news on Akom Loop Kanglei Park opposing Guwahati-based Neramek for trying to GI register black aromatic rice, popularly known as chahao. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News. Akom Loop Kanglei Park has strongly opposed Guwahati-based Northeastern Regional Agricultural Marketing Corporation, that is Neramek, for trying to geographical indications register black aromatic rice, popularly known as chahao. The loop questioned Neramek, a company under the Ministry of Donor, how they can register the indigenous black rice variant without intimating farmers of the state. Apprehensions are high amongst the farmers that the company will seize marketing rights after the registration and appeal to the authority concerned to examine the situation without further delay. Speaking to media at Akom Loop office in Lumphale, President of the association, Sanjit Sarajam, warned that the state will be in extreme loss if the black aromatic rice variant Poraton is geographical indication registered under an outside company. He maintained that it can only be registered under a state-owned agricultural organization. Taking part in the meeting, representatives of chahao cultivators of Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal and Bishnupur district stated that the registration is supposed to be done jointly by ICR scientists, state agriculture directors and farmers, but they have been left out. The farmers also highlighted the issue of not being able to calculate minimum support price even when the rice variant was e-auctioned on earlier occasion. Semgat Sagat Committee Irom Laikai, a neighboring locality of Irom Leirak, inquired the motive behind the FIR filed by Works Minister T.H. Biswajit against one Dr. T.H. James from Irom Leirak following a comment made by the latter on Facebook. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, treasurer of the committee, T.H. Nogan, maintained that inhabitants of the locality collected money to repair the road since the government and authority concerned remained indifferent to their plight. He also added that the committee had never refuted the government or authority concerned regarding the same. Nogan also questioned why a team of Singjamai police station came to arrest Dr. T.H. James from his residence, as Irom Leirak belongs to the jurisdiction of Irilbung police station.
Facebook sida thagali ba share tori ba si mi yam yami sida lari ba se aduga atai dadi fajadaba language haidi yam yauri ba sida hari ba xyz nupa sida apna nadang tori ba si kari maram lege kari nungai taba lege hai ba se koi adi soi khre haidi ngang khre hai ba si bokoina sibu kya yam na ain gi thong da kyam kai ba jano hai ba du koina su khangjaningi koi committee sina hai ba tare adu sini haji particular amount dadang attack to isi kari kaiba kari kumai to bajano ai do khangjaning hai tare.
Residents of Singjamai Bhaigabati Laikai under Porompat police station stays a sit-in today against the planting of an bomb by unidentified miscreants at the residence of 161-year-old Gurumayum Tharaksana in the locality. The bomb, a Chinese hand grenade, was recovered from her gate around 6 a.m. yesterday. The discontented local stays a sit-in at the Youth Athletic Star Union office. Taking part in the protest, cooperator of IMC Worth number 18, Lai Mayum Inunganbi, condemned the incident, which has created panic in the area. She questioned the motive behind such planting of bomb, which is life-threatening to people in the locality. Inunganbi appealed to those concerned not to carry out such activity, but to try and resolve any issues by holding dialogues.
Aki tujung ba thokpa yaba pochak amadi akoi bom na chingba thamjinba amadi akoi gi mi amabu hekta maran season ba yaningde na haiba se basina akoi gi masigi wakat mi pham masigi pandamni aduga amarom da akoi mioi ba ngaktani table amata da akoi punna phaminaraga loinbak solution porakba wari sanaraga loinbak loisinaba yaba ngaktani bom thamjinmana akoi solution porakpa ngamloi aduga akoi gi malem da thokriba achoba thodok issue mayam amasu akoi gi punna phaminaraga ningai sangdana iba singa se punna phaminaraga loisin
a combined team of Technopol Police and Imphal East Police, led by additional SP Technopol K.H. Robinson under the supervision of SP Technopol Dr. S. Ibomcha, arrested one mastermind of Rohingya Muslim trafficking and his wife this morning around 5. The arrested mastermind is identified as Rashid Ali alias Nasir Ali, alias Lalu Bhaiya, 51 years, son of Mohammad Zamaruddin from Uttar Pradesh and presently residing at Yaripok, Ningthongnai, Sabah, Laikai. His wife is identified as Kulakpam Tahir Begum. The culprits were involved in trafficking of 4 Rohingya Muslims, including 1 woman through 1 Takilambam Gobin in May this year and have been absconding since then. 2 mobile phones, 1 PAN card, 1 election ID card and 1 Aadhaar card in the name of Rashid Ali and 1 ATM Visa card of Syndicate Bank were also seized by the police. Police investigations are underway. Customs Prevention Force Moray has arrested 1 person in possession of 30,000 amphetamine tablets, also known as World is Yours tablet, worth around 3 crore rupees in the international market today. The perpetrator, identified as David Dongil, 32 years, son of Silgil Dongil from N. Chajan under Saikul subdivision of Kangpokpi district, was arrested at Moray petrol pump near Chingkimbeng. David was produced before media person at the office of Custom Division Imphal, Sangakpam, along with the seized amphetamine tablets this evening. Speaking to media, Assistant Commissioner R.K. Dharenjit stated that police team led by Superintendent of Custom Prevention Force More conducted drives along Imphal-More National Highway 102 upon getting tip-off and apprehended David around 10:30 this morning. The contraband drug smuggled from Myanmar was transported in an auto rickshaw from More towards Imphal. The tablets weighing 3 kgs was concealed inside a packet with trademarks 881. A case was registered against the person under NDPS Act 1985 for further legal actions.
Akaknaba information ama phangbadagi superintendent aigi oida leisina lead tawraga More kondong lairinbigi manakta leba petrol pump gi adugi jagagi Sikkim Beheng haiba jagadu dagi pausigi matungina midu check to matamda mangondagi WY hariba tablet chi marking this one tharmi tablet chi ko 881 tablet chi da thari che sida yauri che 881 che sigi tablet chi masing chi 30000 weight na kg ahungumba phai international gi rekta yengba matamda khoina value si paba matamda lupa crore ahungini investigation is going on.
Pandit Loisang launched a 5-day workshop on Lai Harauba at its Sanglen in Palace compound today. The workshop aims to discuss Lai Harauba festival in depth. Various Pena performers, Amaiba Amaibis and other resource persons attended the first day of the workshop. Speaking on the occasion, Pana Pandit L. Lokin urged Amaiba Amaibis of the state to strictly abide by the guidelines of Lai Harauba laid down by the forefathers so that the festival will be revered by everyone.
Aikogi imam ai bising su sum yeng modani ko tawi haibati nataba sarong sen sena tukan de ta kwa cha ni khangde adigi cha tha amani khangde ama tawni khangde tawram ta machi yam phatte ba sarong du kari noi do ate ti phidi yai sarong jidi ipa ipugi lagi pakha oira ban mangoda piri ba title si aikoina sarong ana piri si mai bi dugi matik mayai ne ba aduna matik mayai sing asi aikoina mangaloi se khangna haina ta tamhausi kaino habida hoji anoba inkhalai ba ise nem sing se khangdi haibati nate aikoina maibi haina changba taragadi maibi aina kaidoba tai aina kari chana lamdang chatkani ai kari chakcha yai talaigani kari phambam da laigani haibana chingba akup laiba kanglon sing se hoji sum pawon gumse.
Floral tributes were offered at the portrait of Major Maibia Tamara Singh in connection with Langbal Haithalaithava today. Major Maibia Tamara Singh Memorial Trust organized the event at Wangkai Ningthem Pukri Mapal. Speaking on the occasion, former Chief Resource Person of MHRD, Department of Higher Education, Government of India, Dr. Thokchom Chandramani lauded Maibia Tamara Singh as a significant personality who made immense contribution during the reign of Maharaja Chandrakirti from 1907 to 1947. He also disclosed that a state-level academic discourse on Major Maibia Tamara Singh will be conducted in near future. Job card holders have alleged Pradhan of Thanga Part 1 Gram Panchayat in Thanga constituency, Bishnupur district of embezzling their insurance money. Speaking to media during a press meet held at Hishnam Yumjao Laidenbi Community Hall in Thanga Hishnam Laikai today, a job card holder accused Pradhan Oinam Roman of siphoning job card holders' insurance money since March this year. He urged the local MLA and relevant authority to look into the matter and bring justice without further delay.
Thanga Parwan gisu Pradhan Paisa je lokthok khare hairappadegi paisa tungchelaga hajik chatek ka kuncha lokthokhiba thamghibaduna chamri gi yankhai phangbadudi ekhoi maram chade mi chama ga kunchani thoigi paisa di laiba paisa je ju hajik pradai khutta amat khoi hajik phangjararoi ba phangjaroi haibadi laheure mi asuk yamba je ka asukni haibasi gi masing je khangaga ekhoi chatek ka kuncha khoina thamjekhiba je Lupa mawatana khoi prajagi khutta phanghanbiu haiba wafam je madu ima thamjaningi.
MLA Oinam L. Radhakishore has distributed free gas connection under Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana scheme in collaboration with Phobokchau Indian Gramin Vitrak Gas Agency to 70 BPL families of Oinam constituency for the first phase today. Speaking in the event, MLA Radhakishore, who is also the chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, lauded the present BJP government for providing free gas connections to the poor, which he opined the previous government failed to do so. Honorary Wildlife Warden and Reserved Forest Sawungbung Range restrained individuals involved in trappings and catching of birds during a series of drives conducted in and around Sawungbung Range, Imphal East District today. Drives were carried out at Kharasong Awang Laikai, Makha Laikai, Mayai Laikai and Sanjab area of Sawungbung Range. Honorary Wildlife Warden and Yening Animal Foundation YAF chairperson Sapna Laishram counselled the individual and warned of punishment under Wildlife Protection Act 1972 if caught again. She said such drives will be conducted in near future. Sector Headquarters BSF Counter-Insurgency Operation in Manipur, Koirengai has organized a cleanliness drive as a part of Swachhata Bharat Abhiyan and Swachhata Pakwada in Ningthem Pukri Mapal and Eco-Historical Park of Imphal East District today. The social service cum cleanliness drive was conducted under the leadership of Commandant Operation of Sector Headquarters CI Operation Manipur Hidam Subol Singh. Team of officers and 133 Battalion BSF-C Company Jawans also took part in the cleanliness drive. Speaking to media, Hidam Subol said the beauty of Ningthem Pukri and the eco-historical park near the lake has attracted many tourists. He expressed disconcern that tourists have been polluting the place and disgraced the area. He maintained that the drive was conducted with an aim for a clean and a neat environment.
Nishan Pukri Pan Jam Tini Mosal Lagle, Mamdi Masel Live Miamsi, Manipur ki Sura Kogi, Naharon de Horga, Halon, Kudima from the Yang Balai, other Yam live activity, Moinapuraka, plastic pots, Kudimax the Tadar at Hamedo, Coin Hansen, Hivenedu, Toina Tade, Kogi Club, Ani Leshda, Maharaj Garbanios Memorial Club, Aduga, LCP, Anis in a can, Honda and Honda Nedu, Aduga in Mayam, the appeal to Zoning with the Pukri, the Lakview, Aduga, Mayam Yang View, Fazeraba scenery, Adubu, Mayam Pubiraka, plastic, pots, packaging or Pasana, Tangnaba, Yaragadi, dustbin the Tadabiramu, Tragana, Shaisana Pubiraka from Zana.
People of More took out the mass rally on Rashtriya Posan Ma today. Eklavya Model Residential School, More organized a rally in connection with National Nutrition Month observance. The rally was flagged off from the school in More Chinkim village. Rallies chanted slogans to keep the surroundings cleaned, to eat healthy, to stay healthy, etc. More police team led by officer in charge, More police station kept a strict vigil during the rally to prevent any untoward incidents. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. State Cabinet decide to issue ordinance on anti-mob violence bill to moot collective punishment for mob violence. State's first ever Manipur heli service takes off. Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren launches Imphal Jiribam helicopter service today. Manipur Tourism Department's one-day seminar espouses homestays facility for tourists in the state for sustainable tourism. Manipur University Inquiry Committee rejects Professor K. Jugindro as Pro-VC and Professor M. Shyam Kishore as Registrar in charge of the university. And Customs Prevention Force More sees World is Your tablets worth around 3 crore rupees in international market today.